Welcome another week to Currently. These are the news that have caught our attention. This week, let's kick things off with an announcement. The Smart City Expo World Congress has presented a brand new initiative dubbed Tomorrow.Building, which will take place during this year's edition. The initiative will allow for a dialogue for the development of efficient, resilient and net zero cities and drive positive changes in the building of municipalities by focusing on construction technologies and sustainable buildings and infrastructures. Head to their platform to find out more about it. In the UK, the Hammersmith and Fulham Council has installed 50 new air quality sensors across the borough to monitor air pollution levels near schools and nurseries. Powered by solar energy, the Breathe London sensors measure nitrogen dioxide and particulate matter levels. The council aims to expand its air quality monitoring stations from 2 to 6 locations this year and has already deployed over 50 nitrogen dioxide diffusion tubes and 100 vortex sensors. The public will be able to see the data on the Breathe London website, whose network is managed by Imperial College London's Environmental Research Group. In mobility, following a recent $110 million funding round, transportation startup Via, valued at $3.5 billion, has acquired UK-based journey planning app Citymapper to expand its transportation technology stack. The acquisition aims to integrate Citymapper into Via's transit tech platform. Citymapper, with over 50 million users in 100 cities, helps navigate urban transport networks, while Via's software supports cities and transit agencies in planning and operating public transportation systems. Let's head to the US, but stick with mobility. The Chicago City Council has approved a decree to test parking enforcement technology and smart loading zones to reduce traffic fatalities and improve health equity. The technology will automatically issue tickets for parking or standing violations in designated areas such as bike lanes and commercial loading zones. Traffic fatalities in the Windy City increased by over 50% between 2019 and 2021, so the city aims to target neighbourhoods with the highest concentration of fatal and serious injury crashes. The pilot programme will run until June 2025, with the launch date, camera vendors and locations still pending. Citymesh, a Belgium-based private cellular specialist, has launched a fleet of 70 5G connected safety drones equipped with 4K cameras to support local emergency services. The service, called Sense, is to provide police and fire stations with a 15-minute head start to gather crucial information about incidents before personnel arrive on the scene. The drones transmit 4K video images to control rooms via Citymesh's 5G network. Following a trial in 2018, 2 drones have been deployed in each of the 35 rescue zones covering the entire country. The company aims to create a drone grid across the whole of Belgium. After the recent announcement of its partnership with the Things industry, Unibiz has now announced a new one, this time with Senet, to provide customers with access to Senet's LoRaWAN network services and collaborate on global zero-G network access for hybrid IoT solutions. The partnership seeks to help Unibiz customers enter the North American market with scaled LPWAN applications using Senet's services. And in the world of digital twins, the French city of Mulhouse is set to use the technology to support the transformation of the former DMC textile industrial complex into a sustainable urban district. The digital tool will enable the creation and experimentation of new services addressing sustainable city challenges such as energy efficiency, mobility improvements, building modularity, resource optimization, citizen participation, and open data. Developed through a partnership between the city, Mulhouse Alsace agglomeration and EDF, this first-of-its-kind project in France is part of the France 2030 Demonstrators of the Sustainable City programme. The digital twin will combine data from various stakeholders to model services and use, and is expected to take up to 10 years, with investments reaching €10 million. That's it for this week, but make sure to like and follow to keep up with us. I'm Emma Dugan. I'll be back next week with the latest in the world of smart cities.